More than 30,000 people and students that have confirmed that they are going to attend eWorkshop. Any mode of transport you come across, any mode of
Sinibingelele phinde sinamukele ababukeli besohlelo lethu Esikhemida Production. Cela mbukeli umusha le channel yakho hlokucenza like button, subscribe button kanye notification bell khona mbukeli lethu makwenzeka sikhiphe ivideo izobonga uqala uzokwazisa ngaphandle kuba babukeli bethu simoshe isikhathi sivele ehlalo dabeni kwesiniphathela zona namhla zithi sebuchitheke bugayiwe amaphoyisa exosha abelungiselela umcimbi ohlele wayengumsakazi okhozi FM eWorkshop aqondakala kahle ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. Uzokwenza njani Ngizwe mfowamculo njengoba kubonakala beqoqisa yonke imithwalo yabo bebezolungiselela ngamcimbi. Mbukelo lethu siphela lapho ke bese niphathela zona namhla. Hlangana ema comment section sizovola ukuthi wena uthini ngale ndaba ngalelo daba inkosi yamabhinqa Ngizwe mfowamculo.
Lapho singamabhinqa sizobe sihlangana khona eGugu-Dlamini Park sivula unyaka wamabhinqa. Wonke ama-universities ahlangene la KwaZulu-Natal nasema-campuses ahlukahlukene, ama-first years, second years, nabo bonke abakhona njengamanje sebeqinisekisile more than 30,000 people and students that have confirmed that they are going to attend eWorkshop. President wamabhinqa ngathi mina any mode of transport you come across, any mode of transport being provided by soever, use the transport. When is the train, use the train. When is the bus, use the bus. When is the taxi, use the taxi, and come and be with us and enjoy us lapha eWorkshop esivula unyaka wamabhinqa. Akho-ke encourage even ngisho ama-fighters EFF that are the part of amabhinqa ema-universities ahlukahlukene. Those active members, I will never discriminate ama-members EFF ayingxenye amabhinqa ngoba la we are non-political here, but those political groupings in different universities and in different platforms, they are also welcome to the event yokuvula unyaka wamabhinqa, because bangamabhinqa before they choose any political groupings. So therefore ngithi ke mina bonke abantu bakwaZulu-Natal nabantu abaqhamuka koGoli nakondaweni ehlukahlukene sebaqinisekisile ukuthi hayi ngani zakwethu abanye besithi bazabe transport bathi khululeka mongameli ikhona yamahhala. Angiyazi ukuthi yamahhala yabaletha transport yamahhala. Ngathi ngiyazama kwenye indawo bathi khululeka mongameli sesipha akhe ebhasini siyeza. Ngakho-ke uJulius Malema kusasa uzobe addressa izitulo ezimhlophe kwa eWorkshop lapha eMoses Mafika. So into engiqinisekisa mina ukuthi uzobe ku-empty lapha eMoses Mafika ukuthi uqwa ngamafu, yabona. Emvelo kwalokho eWorkshop uzobe kuthe nyikithi umongameli wamabhinqa ekhuluma lo ungizwe umlando